told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name. My heart skips a beat when I hear you calling, and I like that it won't go away. But never mind, don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind, I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can hide. What if I told you that I've fallen? I told you that I've fallen, a heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning and pick you up when you're a mess. I know that it won't ever stop. You know I'll be there when you call me, whether you like it or not. Without a warning, now I'm falling for this picture on my phone. But don't mind me, I'm just falling. I'll get back up on my own. Please don't say my name. Help me put out this flame. I'd rather hold on to this feeling that you don't even believe in. What if I told you that I've fallen?
Falling.
What if I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name? My heart skips a beat.